What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kev's Auto Adventures. I got a video on doing the timing on the TSX. It got very cold when I was finishing up, whatever. And I'm going to put that video on this right after this. And then this is the reveal, baby. Let's get it, guys. And welcome back to Kev's Auto Adventures. Back at the TSX that's off timing. Right now, I don't know if you guys see the arrow right here. This arrow is supposed to be pointing straight up where this is at. This is on time. So that's where I'm at the moment. Taking it apart now, and I'll get back to when I put the chain on, whatever, and put it back on time. We'll get it from there. I never did this, so this ain't gonna be a video that I'm showing you exactly how to do it, because I'm learning it myself. So this ain't a learning video. This is but showing you that I can. Hey, if I could do it, anybody else can do it. All right. So when I come back, you'll see it together. Like I said, the bottom's on time. You ain't gonna see that I took the what's that, the sprocket, not the sprocket. I always mess up there. The balance shaft, she's off. All the bolts are off now. I just gotta knock it off because it got the Honda bond, which is tighter. It makes it real tight. But like I said, I've never done this before, but I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna do it myself. Like I said, this motor is golden. She looks good. She's not dirty in there. No crud, no nothing. Needs an oil change, but when I get back, she's gonna be back on time and everything, and then I'll talk to you then. Baby, running, baby. I can't complain with this one. The job wasn't that hard. I'm sorry I didn't show all the video on it. This wasn't a learning video. This was more of me getting this car together. I'm not a teacher on this. When I did the timing, I never did it before, so it's not something that I can teach because I didn't know myself. Although it wasn't bad. I added on the visors, the JDM visors, the EOS visors. Well, the JDM reps. But she's on the road, baby. She just needs a buff polish. I didn't do the fog lights yet, but that's next to come. And the rear wing, I got the rear wing too. That's next. So like I said, thanks everybody. Yo, like, subscribe, and comment, please. Let me know what you think about the car, man. Let me know. Oh, I got, the little Boricua, for all my bodies. Little add-ons. Like I said, she's can't beat what we paid for it and what we did to get it to run. It took me less than $100 to get this thing running. So thanks for tuning in. Kev's Auto Adventures, baby. Let's get it.